聖誕裝飾球可唔可以唔叫 Christmas balls 呢？一啲好常見嘅聖誕詞彙，我相信大家細個一定接觸過。咁但係呢啲比較特別嘅，你又識唔識呢？香料熱紅酒 mulled wine，mulled wine， 注意唔係踎個嘴要放鬆少少，同埋唔係點喐嘅 mulled wine，mulled wine。Would you like some mulled wine？ 蛋奶酒 eggnog，eggnog，eggnog。This is my first time having eggnog。一口小食 canapes，canapes，canapes。The smoked salmon canapes are really delicious。薑餅 gingerbread，gingerbread，gingerbread。咁最常見咧就係 gingerbread man 薑餅人同埋 gingerbread house 薑餅屋。I look forward to having gingerbread latte every winter。聖誕禮物籃 hamper，hamper，hamper。Has the client received our Christmas hamper？ 聖誕倒數月曆 advent calendar，advent calendar，advent calendar。We should get them this advent calendar for dogs。聖誕市集 Christmas market，Christmas market，Christmas market。Which Christmas market is worth going to？ 聖誕花環 Christmas wreath，Christmas wreath，Christmas wreath。I love the pine wreath on your front door。聖誕裝飾球 baubles，baubles，baubles。其實喺美式英文咧係會叫做 Christmas balls， 咁但係 Christmas ball 可以係聖誕舞會，而 balls 亦都係男性嘅蛋蛋，咁所以咧我就覺得 baubles 會比較好啲。
Ugly naked guy is decorating his tree. Oh my God! You should see the size of his Christmas balls.
The tree looks naked. It needs a lot more baubles。聖誕花 poinsettia，poinsettia，poinsettia。The lobby is full of poinsettias。酷寄生係一種植物嚟嘅，佢係 mistletoe，mistletoe，mistletoe。Do you realize we're standing under a mistletoe？ 聖誕頌歌 Christmas carols，Christmas carols，Christmas carols。注意 Mariah Carey 嗰啲咧叫做 Christmas songs。He knows all the Christmas carols。Do you have a favorite Christmas carol？ 學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同埋 share。